All right, we're going to get ready to start Biology 3.3 notes. So, as always, turn around and fill in your notes so you'll have them for your exam. Here we go. Energy flow through an ecosystem in a one-way system from the primary producers to various consumers. We start down here at the bottom, that's the producer. And then as we move up, then we go from primary consumer, secondary to tertiary. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating or being eaten. A food web is a series of complex interactions formed by the feeding relationships among the various organisms in an ecosystem. You can see the food web over here in our picture, where it has all the arrows leading to different things, which helps to keep that food web alive and moving. Krill are one example of a diverse group of small swimming animals called zooplankton that feed on marine algae. Disturbances can happen in food webs, such as an oil spill or melting polar ice. These disturbances can have a dramatic effect on a food web. Here we're even talking about even a hurricane out in the water could turn around and cause lots of problems and disturbances into any food web. Tornadoes could be like on land. Krill larvae feed on algae under floating ice. With the melting of the ice on our planet, there has been a drop in the krill population. A lower krill population means less food for other organisms in the food web. This means some of those organisms will, of course, die off. Each step in a food chain or food web is called a trophic level. You can see the different trophic levels over there and how they are labeled. Primary producers always make up that first trophic level down at the bottom. So on this one, it says the plants. All right. It's always that, and then it moves its way up. Ecological pyramids show the relative amount of energy contained within each trophic level. So if you look at it, we are talking about a pyramid or a triangle, where down at the bottom is, of course, the bigger area. So that is the producers. And as you go up to each different levels of consumers, your energy or the amount of availability is smaller. And that we call the rule of 10. It decreases, each level decreases by 10%. Okay, if you need to go back and rewatch the videos so you can get your notes taken care of, please do so and turn those in so that they can be graded and given back so you'll have them for your test.